Hello, and welcome to the Soft Life. I am your host, Dr. Raykel Tolson, and today I would like to talk about that September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. Yep, that's what we're going to talk about today because there's no better time to talk about one of the most important topics in your financial journey, and that's securing your future. That's the S in the soft life, securing your future. So when we talk about financial security, most people think about saving, investing, and maybe cutting back on their spending. But one of the most powerful and overlooked ways to truly secure your future is through insurance. Yep, life insurance. Oh, don't leave, stop, wait. I know most people do not like talking about life insurance, but that is the best way to secure our future. Not just with the life insurance policy, but one with living benefits. And what I also like to call sleep insurance. And we'll talk a little bit more about that. Securing your future isn't just about what happens decades from now when you retire, it's about today. So it's about making sure that if life throws you a curveball, you and your family can handle it without losing everything you worked for. All right, so we think about that's why we insure our homes, we insure our cars, we insure our cell phones. But most people don't insure their future income, which is their retirement income, right? So life insurance companies make that actually a priority for them. Well, they will help you protect not only your life, but they will also help you protect your future income. All right, so let's just start off with living benefits. So some of you all this may be the first time you're hearing about what living benefits are. That's what my shirt says. Live better with living benefits. So what that is it's a life insurance policy that allows you to accelerate the death benefits in the event that you get um, ill, have an illness, a critical illness, chronic illness, or terminal illness. Now, not every illness is covered. So think about an illness that would reduce your life expectancy. So like a stroke, heart attack, cancer, all these types of things, Alzheimer's, all these kind of things would maybe accelerate your death. So why not get your money so you can accelerate your death benefit so you can have money while you are dealing with that illness? Do you know the number one reason people file bankruptcy in the United States? It's not because they done spent a whole lot of money on credit cards. It's because of medical debt. So living benefits are designed to prevent people from going bankrupt, securing your future. Yeah, you can. So with that benefit, you can cover your medical bills, you can cover your mortgage, you can cover child care, groceries, anything that you need, in the event that you get sick. Or if it is a terminal illness, you might even want to use some of that money to go on a couple of the bucket list trips that you wanted to take. So that's why I say that securing your future should include life insurance with living benefits. Now let me talk about what I like to call sleep insurance. Yes, sleep insurance. Well, it's also called an index account. Now, I call it sleep insurance because you can rest easy knowing that your money is protected, even when the stock market corrects, right? Even when the stock market corrects, you do not lose your money. Back into both 2001 and 2008, people woke up to 40 to 50% losses in their retirement income. And we don't want that. We're getting too old. When the stock market does correct, if you're young, you have time for it to rebound and get back up there. But if you are close to retirement age, you ain't got time for all that, right? So that's why I call it index account sleep insurance. But now let me just give you a quick um, example of what an index account is, right? So think about Goldilocks and the Three Bears, right? She tasted Mama's bears and it was too cold. Papa's bear was too hot. Baby bears was just right. That's how I think about um, index accounts, just right. So the bank is like Mama Bear's porridge that's too cold because it's safe, but it won't grow. The stock market, investing in the stock market is like Papa Bear's too hot porridge. It goes up and down, and it's just, a roller coaster, right? But Baby Bear's just right is an index account. So it grows better than the bank. Your interest rates are going to be better than the bank typically, and you won't lose your money when the stock market goes down. If you want to know more about that, I invite you to go to raykeltolson.com, and I have videos. And we also, if you go to the event, we will invite you to a Money 101 so you can learn much more about index accounts, or what I like to call sleep insurance. And I did want to give you another, just a visual of that. Say if you are on an escalator, right, and you're going up and you're up, and if something happens, it just stops. So you stay right where you are. You don't plunge back down. You just stay exactly where you are. When they get it fixed again, then you go back up. That's like an index account. So you think about that, and you're going up, up, up. Stock market drops, you stay until they fix it. They fix it, you go up, 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 then it stops. They need to wait till you get fixed, and then you go up, 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 then it stops. But you never go down. Another good analogy. The baby bear, just right, or the escalator, no going down. I hope that you were able to actually get why I think that an index account is something that anybody who wants to secure their future, they have to look into index accounts. All right, now, why do these things matter anyway, Raquel? Well, let's just be real. We are facing with health crisis today because health insurance does not cover everything, and we are getting all kind of stuff in our foods, all kind of stuff in our air. So getting sick is something that many of us may have to endure. And we want to protect our savings from illness. Okay, that's what the living benefits is for. And then, of course, we want to protect all our future income because our retirement money is future income. We want to protect that from the stock market also. That is how we secure our future, and that is how we live a soft life because we secure our future, we own our time, we flow in purpose, and we trust God's timing. So I wanted to make sure that I did a video that really talked about securing your future. And this is a good month because September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. So if you do not know if your life insurance has living benefits, it probably doesn't. But reach out to me at www.raykeltolson.com, RaykelTolson.com, and we can make sure that we get you set up so we can secure your future. All right, that is it. September is almost over. So I got this in just in the nick of time so you all can go out and secure your future. It is important to not limit it to just this month. If you don't get it in this month, you can do it next month and the month after that and the month after that. We want to make sure that, and not just your future secure, your spouse, your kids, all the people who you love. Let's make sure everybody's futures are secure. Tell your friends, tell your coworkers, because a lot of people have not heard of living benefits or indexed accounts. So I am on a mission to make sure everybody at least knows about it. I can't make you drink from the water, but at least I need you to know where the well is, right? I can't make you drink from the well, but at least you will know where the well is. All right, so that is all for today. I hope I didn't go too fast, but if I did, like I said, you are invited to a free Money 101 workshop. You can find that on www.raykeltolson.com under the events. Find the one that fits your schedule and join us. Just make sure you put my name that I invited you to the Money 101. All right. And let's end with our prayer. Lord, continue to show us how good life can get. Ashe, and so it is. Until next time. Bye-bye.